Friends, if you want to increase the speed of TikTok video, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you step by step. In this video, I will tell you step by step how you can increase the speed of TikTok video. Here you have to click on the share icon of the video. After clicking on share icon, you have to click on your playback speed here. Click on your playback speed here. Now here you can increase it at 2x 1.5x speed. Now here you can play this video at the speed of 1.5x or 2x. In this way you can increase any TikTok video speed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.